The video was recorded on May 1, 2024, in the Chaco province of Argentina. It was captured by CCTV cameras installed in the garage of a family's home. The footage depicts the family enjoying a peaceful dinner, with everything appearing completely normal and serene. There are no indications or warnings that anything is about to go wrong. This sense of tranquility is precisely what makes the video so startling. In just a single millisecond, the calm atmosphere is shattered, plunging the scene into utter chaos. The abrupt transition from peace to turmoil is what makes this video particularly shocking. As the family enjoyed their dinner together, a sudden and massive lightning bolt struck perilously close, instantly engulfing their surroundings in darkness. The thunderous crash and shower of sparks felt like an explosion, shocking everyone at the table. But the chaos didn't stop there. More lightning flashes followed, lighting up the sky with a sense of foreboding. Despite the fear and confusion, the camera continued to roll, capturing every moment of the unfolding drama. In the midst of the chaos, the family acted quickly and decisively. They rallied together, ensuring the safety of their elderly member by guiding her indoors away from the danger. In those frantic moments, they were reminded of life's unpredictability and the fragile nature of tranquility. It was a realization of how swiftly things can change, how a peaceful evening can turn into a scene of chaos in an instant. On the 21st of November 2023, in Iguazu, Brazil, a seemingly ordinary scene unfolds in a CCTV camera footage. A group of people engaged in casual conversation, basking in the pleasant ambiance, yet what transpires next is far from ordinary. The tranquility is shattered by an unexpected incident, the cause of which remains unclear. However, it becomes apparent that an accident involving a black car occurs, veering off-road and hurtling dangerously close to the unsuspecting individuals. The video captures the harrowing moments as the men scramble desperately to evade the oncoming vehicle, narrowly escaping a potentially catastrophic collision. It's a heart-stopping reminder of life's unpredictability, how swiftly tranquility can morph into terror, catching us off guard in the most mundane of moments. The footage on display was captured by a dashcam mounted on a Jeep in China, dated January 22, 2024. Since its upload on social media platforms, it has garnered widespread attention for its shocking depiction of events during a group off-roading excursion. Despite the initial appearance of relaxed camaraderie among the group, the situation was about to take a dramatic and life-threatening turn. The tension mounts as one of the Jeeps attempts to ascend what appears to be a modest hill, only to lose traction on the snowy and muddy terrain. With wheels spinning fruitlessly, the vehicle fails to crest the incline. Suddenly, the unthinkable occurs as the driver neglects to apply the brakes, hurtling towards the unsuspecting bystanders near their parked vehicles. In a frantic scramble, they narrowly evade disaster, leaping out of harm's way just in time to avoid being struck by the oncoming Jeep. The aftermath reveals the extent of the chaos, with all three vehicles involved suffering significant damage. Despite investigations, the exact cause of the incident remains shrouded in mystery, leaving observers stunned by the sheer randomness of the event. This incident highlights how CCTV footage can be equally jarring. A similar instance occurred on September 11, 2023, when a pedestrian innocently walking along a roadside was nearly struck by a massive truck. The inexplicable swerve of the vehicle defied logic, leaving bystanders baffled by the sudden and terrifying turn of events. Despite safety measures in place, such as barriers, they proved ineffective in preventing the truck from careening off course, highlighting the unpredictable nature of life's dangers. The chilling footage captured by a CCTV camera at a train station in India in December 2022 reveals a stark reality of inadequate safety measures and risky behavior. Unlike in many other countries where safety protocols are rigorously enforced, individuals often disregard caution when crossing railway tracks. In one harrowing incident, a biker's life hangs in the balance as he carelessly attempts to cross the tracks without heed to the approaching train. His moment of terror is captured as he realizes the imminent danger, causing him to panic and fall onto the tracks. Miraculously, he manages to scramble away just moments before the train hurtles past, narrowly avoiding a catastrophic collision. The mere centimeters that separated him from the train's impact are nothing short of miraculous, earning this event the title of a true miracle. Although the biker escapes physical harm, the trauma of the near miss lingers, serving as a sobering reminder of the inherent dangers of railway crossings. Sadly, such incidents are all too common, with thousands of lives lost annually in railway accidents, the majority of which occur during reckless attempts to cross tracks. TV cameras from around the city captured the semi's destructive journey. The 26-year-old driver was behind the wheel with no brakes. All he could do was avoid as many cars as possible, but that was easier said than done. Cameras outside the LA County Emergency Management Center caught the truck heading north on Main Street. To avoid traffic, the driver pulls onto the sidewalk as he passes the post office. Thankfully, nobody was walking at the time. The next time we see the truck, it's blowing past the Big Five sporting goods. Somehow, our driver makes it another 1.2 miles before the cameras pick him up again. This time, he's not so lucky. He clips a car as he blows through the intersection of Main and 1000th North, right outside the local Starbucks. Finally, the driver veers off the road and crashes into the two-wheeler motor company's parking lot. The cab catches fire, but he makes it out okay. By some miracle, everybody made it out alive that day. While it didn't end pretty, the whole thing could have been much worse.